Welcome to the General Dynamics Gobook XR-1 memory upgrade video. First thing we're going to do here is remove the battery. That's the laptop battery. Make sure your laptop's unplugged when you do this upgrade as well. It's simple enough. We're going to remove 6 screws from the memory bay door. Pretty easy. They're small screws. You need a Phillips head screwdriver. Small. I'm using a number 0, I believe. Lift the door off, and you'll see a shiny metal plate right there. I'm touching it. There's 2 screws holding it down. This plate also mounts the CMOS battery there on the one side. I use a flathead screwdriver to pry it up, just to get past the clips that are holding it down. See a little CMOS battery there. I'm going to pop this shield up, and there's the battery. See the 2 pieces of memory in the slots there. We're going to remove those, and we're going to remove those by just holding back the spring-loaded clips. Up pops the memory comes out. Can be a little stubborn sometimes. Be sure not to break the clips. When putting the memory back in, make sure you put it back in at an angle and that the slot lines up in the memory bay. See how easy it goes in? Just push it down. This is basically all you need to do to install more memory. Once you turn the laptop back on, the laptop will pick up the increase in memory and automatically do what it needs to do to recognize it. You'll see I remounted the metal shield. I'm going to put the 2 screws back. There's the CMOS battery. Just need to make sure it's seated properly in the slot. There we go. Once you have that done, then the only thing left is to replace the shield and the 6 screws. Hey, if you like this video, I hope you'll hit the like button down below and even subscribe to our channel. I have a number of videos that I'm going to be putting up on YouTube about the Gobook XR-1. The next one I'm going to do is how to repair or replace the Wi-Fi card in this machine. You can subscribe to our channel and get notifications via email. Once you have all the screws replaced in this shield, we're going to put the battery back in, and that should basically be the completion of this repair. There's the battery, and I clip it back in. The clips automatically kick in, and that's how to upgrade memory in the General Dynamics Gobook XR-1.